In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate page in GoDaddy website. Duplicating a page is the fastest way to reuse a layout you already love, keep your branding consistent, and avoid rebuilding sections from scratch. We'll walk through the process from finding your site to creating a clean copy you can customize. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type GoDaddy and open the official GoDaddy website. If you're already signed in, great. If not, sign in to your account first. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for your profile or username and click it to open the account menu. From there, choose My Products. This is your control center where all your sites and services live. In My Products, locate the website you want to work on. If you manage multiple sites, take a moment to confirm you're opening the correct one. Click to manage or edit that site, which launches the GoDaddy Website Builder Editor. Inside the editor, open your Pages or Site Navigation panel. This is where all of your site pages are listed. Find the page you want to duplicate. It helps to glance at the live preview to be sure it's the exact layout you want to reuse, especially if you have several pages with similar names. Hover over or select the page name and look for the small gear or settings icon right next to it. That gear opens the page-specific options. Click it to bring up the menu. In the menu, choose Duplicate Page. GoDaddy will instantly create a copy with the same sections, styles, and layout as the original. The new page usually appears just below the original with a default name like Copy of. At this point, give the duplicate a clear, descriptive name so you and your visitors won't get confused later. It's also a good idea to adjust the page title and URL slug to match the new purpose of the page. If you don't want people to see it yet, toggle the page to be hidden from navigation while you edit. After the copy is created, scan through the sections. Replace any placeholder text, swap out images, and update buttons or links so they point to the right destinations. If your original page included forms, galleries, or store sections, double-check the settings on the duplicate to make sure everything behaves as expected. Most design elements carry over, but content should be unique to avoid SEO and user experience issues. Finally, preview your site to confirm the new page looks correct and appears where you expect in your menu. That's all there is to it. Quick, consistent, and professional. Happy building!